My experience at Messiah so far as an economic development major has been really rewarding. I really love how I'm able to just take so many different classes, so many different fields and integrate them into my major.
The Economic Development program at Messiah University helps prepare students for careers in economic development. We think about economics and we think about trade-offs and opportunity costs different people face when they're making decisions, and try to understand why people make decisions that they do. We then apply this to situations in low-income nations, understand their policies that are there, understand how different things that are happening affect people of different income levels and in different situations. And so you need someone who really cares about other people and really wants to think critically about what's going on so that you can make a real tangible difference.
I really like how Messiah integrates Christian faith into, especially for economic development, how do we develop economies? How do we resolve issues of poverty? Things like that.
We have different opportunities for students to really apply what they're learning in the classroom right now. We have an economic empowerment group that works with people in low-income nations trying to help address situations where they can't get loans, or maybe they don't have proper business training, and various ways we try to use our economics to assist people who are in very challenging situations.
I would say the Economic Empowerment Group was one of my favorite things at Messiah. I learned a lot about how to take economics and do something meaningful with it. A lot of what we talked about was through the lens of poverty alleviation and using economics and business as a way to help with that.
I've been able to really enjoy the community at Messiah. In one conversation, there can be a sociology major, there can be a history major, a theology major, and me, an economic development major. And we all complement each other, we all understand each other, and I really love how that can work together.